Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving into the Website Essentials Support Plan by Astra Service Desk Limited. Think of this as your ultimate commercial guide to securing a modern, incredibly flexible, and fully managed online presence. We're not just going to rattle off a list of tech specs today. No way. This is basically a blueprint for building an absolute digital fortress around your brand, all while seriously maximizing your productivity. So, if you're a business owner looking for a managed solution that handles your equipment and tackles every single technical headache, even if you're working on a strictly small budget, you're in exactly the right place. Let's get into it.
But hey, before we get to the actual solution, we really have to ask a tough question. Is your business truly secure against modern digital threats? Think about it for a second. When you run an unmanaged website, you're essentially leaving your front door wide open. You're dealing with the immense stress of sudden downtime, the constant lurking risk of security breaches, and man, those hidden exhausting costs of trying to play the role of your own IT department. Managing software updates, constantly checking for malware, stressing over load speeds, it completely drains your time and your budget.
So the problem is pretty clear, right? It's kind of like a tale of two websites. On one side, you have a standard hosting setup. You rent the server space, but you are entirely on your own the second something breaks. It's vulnerable, it's completely unmanaged, and frankly, it's a massive liability for your business. On the other side, you have the Astra managed solution. We're talking proactive, rock-solid, all-inclusive maintenance. Astra doesn't just hand you server space and walk away. They give you a fully monitored, continuously optimized digital environment. They literally do all the heavy lifting so you can actually get back to doing what you do best, running your business. Section 1. The Astra Managed Solution. Power and Flexibility.
You can really think of this plan as having your own entire outsourced IT department, meticulously tailored for businesses that need top-tier performance without blowing up a small budget. Astra builds websites that are incredibly modern and flexible, specifically designed to grow exactly as your business grows. Want a prime example? You get 40 simultaneous PHP workers. Now, what does that actually mean for you in plain English? It means raw power. When your website suddenly gets a massive surge in traffic, maybe from a viral social media post or a huge holiday sale, Astra expertly handles all those multiple, simultaneous requests without breaking a sweat. It ensures lightning-fast load times. Your customers won't be staring at a spinning loading screen. They'll be looking directly at your products.
So, the crucial point here is capacity. The limitless scaling included in this single plan is honestly mind-blowing. You can host up to 100 websites under just one account. You get 100 professional business emails right out of the gate to build instant trust with your clients. You're backed by 100 gigabytes of lightning-fast SSD storage, and perhaps the absolute best part, unlimited bandwidth. Your website is going to run smoothly no matter how incredibly high your traffic spikes. These resources give your business an unbelievable advantage to just scale effortlessly without constantly having to reach into your pocket to upgrade your plan.
Section 2. Bulletproof Security and Performance. Astra doesn't just build standard websites. They build absolute digital fortresses. In today's digital landscape, flexibility is great, but security? That is non-negotiable. Straight out of the box, you're getting a free SSL certificate to securely encrypt all of your customer data. Standard DDoS protection is there to instantly safeguard your site against malicious traffic overloads, but it goes way deeper than that. They include a web application firewall, or WAF, that proactively filters out nasty stuff like SQL injections and cross-site scripting. Add in an automatic malware scanner that is constantly sweeping for harmful code, and Cloudflare-protected name servers to totally lock down your DNS. Astra is literally defending your livelihood proactively 24/7. And all of that heavy-duty security feeds directly into this one beautiful metric, 99.9. This is Astra's 99.9% uptime guarantee. For a business owner, this right here is the ultimate benefit. It translates to total reliability and complete peace of mind. Your website remains online, your digital storefront stays open for business, and your reputation remains absolutely spotless. Section 3. Proactive hands-off maintenance. Okay, let's talk about what happens after your website actually goes live, because this is where Astra truly separates itself from standard hosting. They work silently and securely right in the background. Here is their strict monthly schedule. Step 1. Monthly security patch updates to immediately close any brand new vulnerabilities. Step 2. WordPress Plugin Updates to make sure everything remains totally compatible and bug-free. And Step 3. Monthly security audits alongside detailed performance reports. You literally never have to click Update and pray your website doesn't crash again. Astra handles the whole shebang, ensuring your site is perfectly optimized at all times. Actually, hold on. I have to pause right here because this is exceptional. Monthly content updates are included.
Most IT companies out there will just keep your servers running and call it a day, but Astra actually helps refresh your website's content each and every month. This is absolutely huge for keeping your audience engaged and actively boosting your SEO performance on Google. It's a massive value add that directly impacts your marketing and bottom line.
Section 4. Maximum Value, Minimum Budget.
Let's talk numbers, because this managed solution is perfectly tailored for tight budgets. Astra delivers the most affordable, top-tier service on the market, hands down. To construct your modern, flexible website, it's $95,443.30. For an entire year of that premium hosting and the hands-off maintenance we were just talking about, it's only $29,115. Add in your domain fees for $2,500, and your grand total is $127,058.18 Jamaican dollars. For an entire year of fully managed digital infrastructure, a custom-built website, and a dedicated IT partner, that is an absolutely incredible bargain. You are getting immense value for your money here.
And if you're sitting there thinking that wasn't enough, consider the massive bonuses that push this deal right over the edge at absolutely no extra cost. You get weekly backups and staging environments to safely test your changes before they go live. You get basic SEO monitoring to stay super competitive. Your site leverages global data centers so it loads instantly anywhere in the world. It includes e-commerce features if you're ready to sell online. And what if you already have a site? Well, they provide hassle-free, automatic website migration completely for free. It really all comes back to this one core promise: simplifying technology, maximizing productivity. That is Astra's slogan, and honestly, it perfectly encapsulates the Website Essentials support plan. They take the complex, incredibly stressful world of web management completely off your plate so you can maximize what you do best, growing your business. So here's exactly what you need to do right now. Pause this explainer and reach out to Astra Service Desk Limited today. You can email them directly at info@astraservicedesk.com or call them on their Digicel line at 876-497-2442 or their Flow line at 876-824-3289. Or simply visit them at astraservicedesk.com. Secure your business's digital future right now, because you really have to ask yourself, in today's incredibly fast-moving digital world, can your business really afford to be left unmanaged and unprotected for a single day longer?